بسم الله الحمد لله وأفضل الصلاة وأتم التسليم على سيدنا رسول الله. اللهم علمنا ما ينفعنا وانفعنا بما علمتنا وزدنا إيمانا وعلما وعملا بالدين برحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين. Today we are going to continue with the Arabic alphabet. Today we have عين 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 عين. An example of عين at the beginning of the word is عين itself. عين means eye. عين عين has فتحة يا سكون. عين. An example of عين in the middle of the word, you can say بعد بعد. You can see ب فتحة عين سكون. بعد means after. An example of عين at the end of the word is like ضفدع ضفدع. ضاد has كسرة. ضفاء سكون. ضفدع دال فتحة. ضفدع. You can see عين at the end of the word. ضفدع. This is عين. Now let's move to the next letter. غين. It is the same writing, but we have a dot over عين. So we have غين غين غين. An example of غين at the beginning of the word is like غيم غيم. غيم means clouds. غين غ فتحة يا سكون. غيم. An example of غين in the middle of the word is بغل بغل. ب فتحة عين سكون سكون. بغل. بغل means mule. An example of غين at the end of the word is بالغ بالغ. باء فتحة ألف سكون لام كسرة. بالغ means adult. It is important in Arabic to know exactly how to move the hand while we write a letter. For example, عين, we start from over there. عين. So we start from here. Put rows. Then we go like this. So it is like this. عين. غين is the same. Then we put the point over. So it is like this. So it is important to write the letter in the correct word. Both عين and غين in the beginning of the word is like this. عين غين. In the middle it is either like this the same. Or if it is connected by the letter before and after, it is like this. This is also in the middle of the word. At the end of the word, it is like this or this. Sorry. This is Ain. If it is joined with the letter before, it is like this. If it is separated, it is like this. Ghain is the same. Joined with the letter before or separated. These are the main forms of Ain and the Ghain letters. The next letter is Fa. 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 At the beginning of the word, it is like Fa'r. Fa'r. You can see Fatha over Fa, Sukun over Hamza. Fa'r means mouse. Fa'r means mouse. Fa in the middle of the word is like Rafiq. Rafiq. Ra Fatha, Fa Kasra, Ya Sukun. Rafiq means friend. Fa at the end of the word, like Raf. Raf. Rafun Raf. As we said before, this is Tanween. Tanween Dam. This is Shadda. Raf means shelf. We have two Fa, so we put Shadda. Raf means shelf. The next letter is similar somehow to Fa, but we have 2 points over, not one. It is Qaf. 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 It is not easy. It is not easy for the foreigners to spell or to speak the letter Qaf. Qaf. It is different from Kaf. Ka. It is Qa. An example of Qaf at the beginning of the word is like Qalam. Qalam. Qa. Fatha. Lam. Fatha. Qalam. Qalam means pen. Qalam. In the middle, Baqara. Baqara. Ba Fatha. Baqa. Qaf Fatha. Ra Fatha. Baqaratun, for example. Baqaratun means cow. Baqara. At the end of the word, we can say طريق. طريق. طاء فتحة. راء كسرة. ياء سكون. طريق. طريق means road. If we want to know how to write exactly and the right way the letters Qaf and Fa, you can see Fa is like this. We start from, so you can see how we started from here, then we moved up, then down, then we moved this side till we finished. It is wrong to write it like this. This is not acceptable to start from here. It is not acceptable. So we have to start from the beginning, because in Arabic, as you know, we start from the right to the left. The similar way is also with Qaf, but we can see that Fa is spread more, Qaf is narrow. So we can see how we started from here up till the end, then we put that two dots over. We can't start, as we said, from the end to the beginning, because it will not be correct, and you are going to write in a slow way, because as we said, we write from the right to the left in Arabic. So we can't start from here. This is wrong. If we want to know the exact ways of writing Fa and Qaf at the beginning, middle and end of the word, we can say Fa at the beginning, it is like this. It has hand from here. Qaf, it is like this, the same. In the middle of the word, either it is like this, if the letter before has no hand, like Raf or Rafiq. Ra has no hand, so it is not joined. If the letter has a hand, so it is like this. So it has two hands, like in Baqara. Baqara. At the end of the word, it is either like this, if the letter has hand before, like Tariq, Rafiq, or if it has no hand, it is like this. So these are the main ways of writing Fa and Qaf in the words. Kaf is the next letter. Kaf. An example of kaf at the beginning of the word is like kelb. Kelb means dog. Kelb. An example of kaf in the middle of the word is like Bakir. Bakir means early. Ba fatha, alif sukun, kaf kasra. Bakir means early. Malak means angel. Mim fatha, lam fatha, alif sukun, kaf at the end of the word. Malak. The next letter is lam. Lam. It is similar to kaf, but we don't have hamza on lam. At the beginning of the word, we have an example like layl. Lam fatha, ya sukun. Layl means night. Layl. In the middle, we have Bilal. Bilal. Ba kasra, lam fatha, alif sukun. Bilal is a name of a man. Bilal. At the end of the word, we have an example like Sahl. Sahl. Sin fatha. Ha sukun. Sahl means plain. Plain. Or easy. Sahl. If we want to know how to write these two letters in the right way, kaf in fact has different ways of writing. At the beginning of the word, it is like this way, or sometimes we write it in this way, kaf, kaf. In the middle of the word, it is like here, like this, or as we said, we can write it in this way, or if it has a hand or the letter before can be joined, it is like this. This way, so it has two hands. This is kaf. This is kaf in the middle of the word. At the end of the word, it is either like this. You can see it is completely different, like this, or if the letter before has no hand, it is like this. So there are different ways of writing letter kaf. Lam is different. Lam is like this. At the beginning of the word, it's like this. Lam. In the middle of the word, it is either like this, the same, like this, or it has hands before and after. At the end of the word, it is either like this, or if there is no hand with the letter before, it is like this. This is the different ways of writing lam. If you want to know the movement of the hand during writing kaf, so kaf can write like this, and if it is in the middle of the word, it is like this. So we start from here, then move this way, then we go back this way. So this is 1, this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is the movement of the hand. If it is like this, so we start from here, move up, then we go down, then we go this way. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then finish with the hamza. If it is alone, like this, so we start from up, down, finish. This is kaf. Lam is easier somehow. So if it is at the beginning, start from up, down, middle, start like this. So we can write it like this. So if we start from here, go up, then down, then to this side. So this is number 1, 2, 3, and 4. If it is at the end of the word, it is like this. So if we start from up, down. These are the different ways of writing kaf and lam.